Hi everyone, it's Artis from Man Carpentry. So we are done on the bike. I've got a few things, just clean the glass, put some hooks up, but mainly we have finished. Obviously you've seen the video about the floor, how I laid the floor. You'll be seeing video where I catch up how I did the kitchen. Also, I have shown how to fit the panels, plastic panels, and that's what we did in this case for the bathroom, because obviously it's easy maintenance and that's what buy-to-let property needs. So yeah, it's all been fitted, everything is ready to rock and roll. So this obviously is bathroom. You'll see from my previous video from my day one video what we were dealing with. You can compare. So this is kitchen, space for washing machine, space for fridge, and then up here we're gonna go to bedrooms. So the hall. So this is the hall, as you can see, and these are bedrooms. So we are also fitting blinds. This is pretty much done now. A little tiny bits to finish, like putting door stops on, just generally tidying up, and then yeah. So today is our last day. So I thought I will make this final video so you can see how it actually looks. So you got lights everywhere as well. So yeah, this is where we are with the project. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it will come in handy for someone, because yeah, I've tried to touch everything I did. Also, we've done some fascia and some new gutter, because the old one was too small. It was like a 3-inch, I believe, used in garden sheds. So yeah, we just tidied that up as well. I'll just put shoes on. I'll show you what we've done there. So luckily, we built little door for the gas meter. Built one here. Again, that's an MDF melamine, which doesn't need painting, so I got to put some handles on. Right, on outside we've painted the white, stripped the flaky paint off. We still got to do a bit of silicone, dressed the lead because that wasn't protected, so it was rendered but rounded. So now we put a lead on the top to protect it from cracking. We had to do a new lead there because there was a leak. We obviously renewed the gutter and the fascia. So we also renewed the gutter and fascia on the top bit, because that was as well failing. So we just thought, we do it now, so there's no callbacks. So we've tidied up the garden a bit as well. So yeah, so it's basically ready to rock and roll. There's a fan. So we got a little bit like brick there sorting out, and I got a bit of pug to do on the waist, but in general that is it. We're done with this project. I hope you will find it useful, and I will catch up you in the next video.